Hello everyone, my name is Zugur Zokir. I am fourth year student at the Inha University in Tashkent, and now I'm currently enrolled in the engineering ethics course. So from this course I expect some rules or some basics of the confidentiality of the companies, how to share our experience about the security of the users, because in the future we were going to become engineers. So my expectations is that to gain the basic rules and the necessary rules for the security of the users. Coming up to my future goal is that now I'm intern at the DataCraft company as data analyst. So from this course I expect a lot because I'm data analyst and I have faced a lot of issues with data and some confidentiality about this data. Well, in the future I'm sure that this course will be helpful for me. Well, coming up to the questions, why ethics is important in engineering? Well, coming up to this question, I can tell that engineers, for example, data analysts, engineers, and etc., we create some dashboards, some do some necessary programs which are oriented for the business users, and for example, some problems faced with this data can lead to huge amount of problems, like for example some big problems, for example airplane crash in some companies or etc. due to the data lag or etc. Well, our main point is that we have to save our confidentiality. Next question, what would you do if your employer asks to cover up a safety issue? Well, even in a case where I faced a safety issue, I have to tell that directly to the director, because this problem can become bigger problem in the future. For example, Tesla crash or etc., which we learned in the videos from teacher Azam. Well, I would definitely say that I report this problem to the director, and even if case director asked to cover up this issue, I can go directly to news or etc. in order to prevent bigger problems. Well, next question, what would you do if your employer asks to gather data of active and inactive user credentials for marketing purposes? Well, for this question I can tell that this is normal practice, because nowadays we have all cookies. For example, we visit website and etc. It's every time asking us are you accept all the cookies and etc. Even the Instagram, for example, we search something on the Chrome. After 5 minutes we see that on the Instagram. So this for the marketing purposes I think it's okay, because everyone is providing their own how to tell their algorithms in order to make better their applications. Yeah, in the main use it was Instagram, which are so connected to the algorithms, which gathering information from Google Chrome, from your website scrolling, or from some marketplaces and etc. And I think this is okay. How can companies encourage ethical behavior among engineers? Well, make some rules, some unique rules where they can teach engineering ethics, and make some culture. For example, make some how to say government persons which look after this engineering ethics, for example, and give some reward for those who find the issues. Well, next question. This way, how do ethical failures impact public trust? Well, this is the common problem, because for example, the company faced some ethical problem. For example, Apple, if we face some ethical problems with confidentiality of our data in this Apple, we will not use Apple again. For example, Well, we have leaked our passwords, our personal photos, and next time we will not use this company. As example, we lose trust to companies, and so I think that every company have to be confidential as Apple, as I said, because they're the best securing the information of their users, and they take care of the users, of course. And the next one is Pavel Durov. If you know, of course, he's very confidential. Even recently in the parish, he was in the prison due to the fact that he don't want to share the personal data of the users to the government. Well, this is considered good engineering ethics practice. Thank you. Goodbye.